In a conversation with several fundraising leaders this week, we were discussing how do you know how much to ask a donor for money? That question comes up a lot in conversations because you want to nail the ask amount, right? You don't want to ask for too much. You don't want to ask for too little. You want to get it just right. So what if you don't get the ask amount right? It's not the end of the world. You will just end up being mad at yourself that you left money on the table. You will not insult someone for asking for too much. You will only hurt their feelings if you don't ask them at all. You've nurtured and cultivated these donors, and it's now time to ask them for money. So let me share 10 top pointers as you determine the donor ask amount. Here we go. Number one, there is no way to completely know the exact amount to ask someone for money. You're making a well-informed guess, so accept that. Number two, your database has rich information. Look at your donor's last gift amount, largest gift amount. It's okay that it has been a while since they made a very large gift. That means it's time to approach them again, but only if you've been engaging with the donor. Meaning you want to make sure you have been in conversations with this donor and not just sending newsletters, birthday cards, invites to events, for example. The third pointer is know what the donor is interested in supporting. What is it about the organization that lights them up? Number four, look at the dollar amount the donor is contributing to other nonprofits. That's called snoop shopping. Number five, be Sherlock Holmes. Look at how they live. Where and how they vacation. Do they have lots of resources? Do they have more than one home? Are they in a high-paying job? Do they have a family trust? You know these things because you ask open-ended questions and then you listen. Number six, do not ask for a range. Rather, ask for a specific amount. Number seven, at least double the amount you think they can give. If you don't, you are leaving money on the table. Ask for a multi-year gift. That's number eight. So if the largest gift ever made was $1,000, ask for $2,000. Better yet, as a multi-year gift, ask for $2,500 each year for the next 3 years for a total of $7,500. Number nine, know their first gift is not their largest gift. They're testing you, seeing if you do what you say you will do with their contribution, and testing how you treat them as a large gift donor. And last, number 10, remember that ask is a conversation, not a stiff, formal, standoffish presentation. There you have it. Check these boxes and you will be making a well-informed ask to your next large gift donor. One more thing, I have a workshop and I would love to have you join me. To get signed up, all you need to do is click the link provided and join me live. I can't wait to see you there.